Hi everybody, my name is Austin Thomas, and this is my job application rational talk. The job that I will be applying for is a hired hand position at Franklin Thomas Farms Incorporated. This would just be a job that I would apply for right out of college, and then later on in life I would look forward to becoming maybe part owner in the farm. Some major requirements that I would have to get this job would be an associate's degree in agribusiness and then an experience working in the agriculture field. I will have the associate's degree in agribusiness after this semester at VU, and I have been around a farm all my life, so I have a bunch of experience in the agriculture field. Some primary duties that I'll have on the farm would be running farm equipment as well as livestock caretaker. Some highlights would be obviously my degree in agribusiness that I will receive from Vincennes University. And then another thing would be the Thomas Brothers Show Pigs. I'm a part owner in that, and that is just a business that me and my brothers created where we raise and sell show pigs. We've been doing that for the last 4 years, and that just shows some experience I have with taking care of livestock. Taylor resume and job letter. I talk about my resume about the experience and being part owner in Thomas Brothers Show Pigs, and then in my job letter I also talk about how I have a great skill of working and taking care of animals. I've been around animals all my life, and I'm not only just around pigs, but I also have been around cows. So either or, that'd be something I'd be looking into and be very good at, is taking care of animals on the farm. And something looking into would be to get into commercial hogs. Learn about myself. The biggest thing that I've learned about myself whenever I was doing all this is that I have had a little bit of leadership experience in my life, but not a ton, not enough to just kind of take something over. So that would definitely be something that after college I would definitely need to get more experience in, and just make sure that I would be fully ready if one day I would be able to own part of the farm. And then always is just know more about agriculture. Yes, I do know a lot about it right now, but you just never know enough. Something in the agriculture business is you always learn something new every day, and that's truly why I want to be what I want to be, is just because I want to learn something new every day about my job. And something I really realized I didn't know hardly anything about would be the chemical aspect and spraying chemicals on crops, and just knowing what to spray to kill what weeds and not to kill your crops. That would be something that I would really like to get into and know more about, and that'd be something that I would definitely need to know more about.